You feel things, but don't know how to say them? Let's learn together. Happy. Feeling good and enjoying your life or situation. Examples. I'm really happy to see my old friends again. She felt happy when she passed the test. Sad. Feeling unhappy, usually because something bad has happened. Examples. He was sad after his dog ran away. That movie always makes me feel sad. Angry. Feeling very upset or mad because something is wrong or unfair. Examples. She got angry when they blamed her. I was angry about the late delivery. Scared. Feeling afraid because something is dangerous. Examples. I'm scared of heights. The child was scared during the thunderstorm. Excited. Feeling very happy and full of energy because something good is going to happen. Examples. I'm so excited about our trip to Paris. She was excited to open her birthday gift. Tired. Feeling the need to rest, usually after working hard. Examples. I'm too tired to go out tonight. He looked really tired after his shift. Bored. Feeling like you have nothing interesting to do or nothing is fun. Examples. I get bored when I stay home all day. She looked bored during the meeting. Nervous. Feeling afraid or worried about something that is going to happen. Examples. I'm nervous about my presentation. He was nervous before his job interview. Confused. Not understanding something clearly or not knowing what to do. Examples. I felt confused by the new rules. She was confused during the math lesson. Lonely. Feeling sad because you are alone or don't have friends around. Examples. He felt lonely in the new city. I sometimes feel lonely even with people around. Embarrassed. Feeling shy because of something you did or something that happened. Examples. I was embarrassed when I fell in front of everyone. She felt embarrassed about her mistake. Frustrated. Feeling upset or angry because you can't do something. Examples. He was frustrated with his slow internet. I felt frustrated when I couldn't solve the problem. Jealous. Definition. Feeling unhappy because someone has something you want. Examples. She was jealous of her friend's new phone. He felt jealous when he saw her friend with someone else. Shy. Feeling nervous or uncomfortable around people, especially strangers. Examples: she is too shy to speak in front of the class. He was shy when meeting new people. Shocked, feeling very surprised or upset because something sudden or bad happened. Examples: I was shocked by the news of his death. She looked shocked when she saw the mess. Awesome job! If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Share with your friends and keep practicing. See you next time.